Alright, so I just upgraded my internet to TELUS Pure Fibre 1 gig, so 1000 megabit per second symmetrical upload and download. So why did I choose to upgrade? Because I am uploading YouTube videos and I need the gig E upload speed, because with Shaw Internet, with their gigabit connection, it's just download 1 gigabit per second, but the upload is just capped to max 30 megabit per second. So with TELUS, I got 30 times speed for the upload, which I use it to upload YouTube videos, both to YouTube and to Udemy. So that would make my upload speed or my upload time way faster. So let's see. We are going to test our new TELUS connection. Bada bing, bada boom. 3, 2, 1, launch. Whoa! Okay, this is download. 920 Mbps, which is pretty sweet. Now, the upload part. Bada bing, bada boom! Look at that! Awesomeness. With Shaw, I was just getting like 20, even 15, just 15, 17, 15. This is 941. Boom. There you go. And that's why I switched to TELUS Pure Fibre. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.